Knowledge Transfer Ireland Impact Awards are a real opportunity for us to celebrate research commercialisation in Ireland.
These awards actually a great motivation for people working in the field of knowledge transfer, and this is part of the outreach also. It makes some encouragement and recognition of the work done.
These kind of awards, these kind of programs that encourage institutions to look at how they can transfer their knowledge out into new products, into enterprise is really important.
All the entries here were really high quality, right? So what we were looking at was which one of them have the best demonstration of engaging in an impactful way with industry.
I was really impressed by the calibre of submissions. Coming from the technology industry, the quality was very high, it was diverse. So it was impressive, and it's good to see this happening in Ireland.
The judges are looking at 3 different categories of award. They're looking at research commercialisation, industrial engagement and future forward, which is a term we use, which is looking at really exciting ideas that are beginning to come through, but where we're looking to see a real impact in a longer time frame.
For me, commercialisation was the most interesting one because that's where customers are involved, where there's recognisable revenues being generated or recognisable impact in the industries.
So in the engagement category, we were looking for significant successes that we could celebrate over the 2021-22 period. That could have been a success of a follow-on collaboration, or the partner making sales, or significant regulatory achievements. And we also wanted to see how the TTO was helping and encouraging that process to move forward to bigger successes in the future.
With the Future Forward category, we were looking for the potential benefit and impact of the project might have and what it might deliver in the future. What is the global impact that they can also make as they have more time working on the development of these technologies? So really looking ahead and saying, 5 years down the road, this is the sort of impact that this company can potentially have.
The TTO role was a major criterion in the choices. Really proves that you definitely need very good quality TTOs in order to accompany the researchers in these fields. And it's really a team's job.
The calibre right across the board was really high quality. Coming from the Higher Education Authority, I have a particular perspective on, I suppose, the broad range of things that universities and higher education institutions do. So from teaching and learning to enterprise engagement, but also the bit with society as well too. So I was really impressed by the calibre, but also the range.
With the high calibre of the applicants, all of the applicants were having great progress with their technologies. They had, majority of them had great industry partnerships. They had collaborations across their campuses, across the ecosystem, and they were also fully engaged with their technology transfer offices.
The overall level of applications was very high. The submissions were clear in almost all cases. There was a good justification from the TTOs in almost all cases. So it was a pretty interesting process to judge.
Across the 3 categories, said it was a tough decision. I think the finalists came out on top for individual reasons in each of their categories, but they stood out for the impact on their impact on industry in that one, the commercialisation, the level of commercialisation, and the future forward, the wide potential impact of their entry.
So I think this is really important for the researchers, for the TTOs, and for the society.